This tutorial explains how to upload documents to our secure portal. This is a safe way to get tax documents to us securely without having to come into our office. To start, go to our website www.laser1040helena.com. On the left, click on Client Online Access. Put your email address here. Put your password here. And log in. Please refer to our Client Portal Access video for further assistance on how to log into your client portal. To send documents to Laser 1040, also called uploading a document, click on the Upload Documents to Laser 1040 button on the left-hand side of your screen here. You may drag and drop your files like this by locating the document on your computer and dragging it onto the Drop Files Here box. Or you can search for the document you would like to upload by clicking the Browse button. Click here to search for your document. Once your document has been uploaded, add a description of the document here. Atom requires a description of some kind. After you have selected all the documents you would like to upload, click the Upload button. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded documents to Laser 1040. If you would like to view the documents you have uploaded, click on the Documents from Laser 1040 on the left-hand side of your screen here. The documents that you uploaded will show as Client Uploads here under Upload Type.